Simple. 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. What are you talking about? I count the side here. That's 1. Here's the top side. That's another one. Or we can say length times width. Length times width. And it says this equation is really easy. 1 times 1 equals 1. If you take one thing, one time, you have 1.
Surprise!
Grab one more piece of cake. I'm not going to eat it yet. Not going to eat it. I'm tempting that. It's smelling real good. Now I have 2 by 2. 2 by 2. Or 1 row of 2. 1 row of 2. And that's 1 times 2. If you take one thing 2 times, you have 2. 1 times 2 equals 2. Once again, this is an example of 1 times 2. 1 row of 2. 1 row of 2. 1 this way, 1 going this way. Still talking about the area amount of length times width. Turning the page.
Surprise!
Woo, it's smelling good, folks. I'm going to put another third one right here. Now, this is 1 row of 3, or 1 times 3. 1 times 3 equals 3. The two numbers being multiplied are called factors, and we talked about that already. We're talking about our chocolates right here that's smelling so good. 1, 2, 3. 1 row of 3. 1 by 1, 2, 3. Okay, and 1 times 3 is simply going to be 3.
Surprise!
Ooh, I'm going to pick from the pile of chocolate again. This time we have 4. 1 row of 4. 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4 gives us 4. It says 1 times 4 equals 4. When doing multiplication, the answer is called the product. We talked about that. Factor times a factor equals a multiple or product. Okay? A factor times a factor equals a product or multiple. Hey, all right. 4 times 1 equals 4. You just said that. I know. But now I'm going to go the opposite way. So now I'm going up and down, up and down. And that's called vertical. That's called vertical. When you go up and down, it's called vertical. Okay? So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? One group of 4 is still 4.